So for this creative health presentation, my topic that I chose is the importance of eating your fruits and vegetables. I chose this topic because I want to become a health and PE teacher in the future, most likely middle school or, 9th or 10th grade in high school, whichever one I get a job at, I guess. And I feel like this topic of the importance of eating your fruits and vegetables is something that is overlooked and needs to be stressed to this age group, because in the slides that I have coming up that you'll see, I have a bunch of health benefits for eating your fruits and vegetables, and a lot of them benefit you once you get older. So if we implement this practice and these healthy habits to students at a younger age, like middle school, even elementary school, we can have them get into that habit to where they are already having the health benefits in an early age, and they can continue that as they continue to grow and develop, which I think is very important. So I just list some examples of fruits and vegetables that I would share to them if I was teaching a lesson, like apples, bananas, pineapples, oranges, grapes, lemons, kiwi, mango, all these, pretty beautiful, colorful fruits that are in this picture that I have on this PowerPoint slide. And then vegetables can have the same amount of colors and vibrancies, like carrots, squash, eggplants, bell peppers, cucumbers. A nice salad is a big go-to of mine that I recommend to get all your servings of fruits and vegetables. So what's in fruits and vegetables that can help you with your diet and your overall health? Low in fat and sodium, have fiber in them that can bring to your diet, vitamins and minerals. I know a lot of people or a lot of doctors recommend, taking vitamins, but if you eat your, daily servings of fruits and vegetables, and also depending on which ones you eat, you can get all of your vitamins and minerals, just by eating your fruits and vegetables like you're supposed to, or like you should, like it is recommended. They can be a great source of proteins. A lot of people wonder how vegetarians, get their protein, but a lot of vegetables especially have major amounts of proteins that vegetarians are able to get even without eating meat. So that's a very another important reason why you should eat your fruits and vegetables. Some health benefits, like I mentioned before, are very important, especially because they can help protect you against certain diseases like cancer or heart disease. They can lower your cholesterol, which I know is a huge thing that people have an issue with once they get older because of their unhealthy eating habits. Also lower your blood pressure. It's also another major issue. I know my family has a history of low blood pressure, so eating your fruits and vegetables are very important. They're also low in calories. If you want a snack, if you go and eat a bag of carrots instead of a bag of chips, that's a lot less calories. It's healthier for you. Like I said, provides the vitamins and minerals. So overall, just eating your fruits and vegetables help in so many ways, not only in calories, but like I mentioned before, may also reduce your type 2 chance of getting type 2 diabetes. There's just so many benefits to eating your fruits and vegetables compared to, unhealthy snacks that might taste good, but if you find those fruits and vegetables that you like or that kids like, then they will automatically make it as an easy substitute than all the unhealthy snacks that we usually try and give them when they want something to eat. Serving sizes of fruits and vegetables, on average, only 14% of Americans eat their daily fruits and vegetables. And when you look at as people get older, and especially kids in high school, it's even lower than that. Schools don't implement the MyPlate diagram, and they don't teach that anymore. They don't have posters up in their cafeteria. It's really an issue that is overlooked and not taught anymore, and therefore that's why these percentages are so low. If it's not something that's brought to students' attention or something that is stressed in our schools or even just in general, then how do we expect, our students and our younger generations to make that percentage go up? And if we don't do anything about it, unfortunately, it's just going to continue to go down. And this picture right here shows the proper serving size per day of fruits and vegetables. You don't just eat vegetables, don't fruits, you should eat both. Fruits, you should do about 4 servings per day, and then vegetables, you should do about 5 servings per day. So it's been calculated for you. It's just getting you to do it and getting others around you to do it. And I just feel like we need to stress this more, and that's why I chose this topic, because I just feel like it's something that we do not push our students to do, and it can really help in the long run with mental and physical health for sure. So that's why I chose this topic, and hopefully I can implement that with my students when I become a health and PE teacher. And these are the sources that I found information on, and a bunch of them have other links to other resources and videos and examples. So go and check them out if I didn't answer any questions you may still have, or if you just want to learn a little bit more to keep yourself healthier, because I know this has helped me a lot. So I hope it helped you too.